So I've just grabbed another piece of paper bark after the last was so beautiful. This is a different type of paper bark. Problems showing up in that twist. So we split him open. Yes, very different to the last one. And as you can see there, some big twists. So that's going to require a little bit of imagination as to how to make the best use of this paper bark. You can see a knot there, so the bowl will go this end. Cleaned up that end to see where the heartwood is. So the bowl this end, follow the curve of the heartwood for the handle. These side bits will come off, so that slight off square bit there won't matter too much. So that's where we'll progress with this next. Continuing on with the paper bark. So I've traced out here on an old spoon I'd made that shape. I've put a bit more of a rounded end. I've also got these extra 2 lines in here in case it needs to come in to be better proportion. And here the same with a line here and an extra line here. I'll axe out here first and just see how it goes proportionally. So there we are, that's the next stage with that spoon. So I've axed out to the outside line on this paper bark. Had a bit of a decision almost made there by the wood when some of that came off, but that's just where that line was. So looking at this, I am thinking that for the length of the handle, that the bowl might be a little bit close. So I'm thinking of coming up into this line here. Won't make the bowl that much smaller, but I think proportionally will work better. A little bit more thinking. This is where we ended up with the bowl. A bit more proportional with the handle now and sort of adheres to the 1/3, 2/3 rule. Taking a bit off the back there. So that should be okay. Now just to start holding out the bowl and tidying up that handle so it's comfortable in the hand. I think it should be okay. Not going to be spectacular, but it should be nice still. So here we are. Got the bowl scooped out, tidied up the back a little bit with a draw knife in the spoon mule, and tidied up the handle a little bit. It's now going to go into my metal garbage bin full of wood shavings to dry off, and then we'll do some finishing cuts, and hopefully I can post a picture when it's finished. And here is the finished spoon, all oiled up and done. Nice colour along the handle here, a touch of colour there in the bowl. So as you can see, got a little bit of grain pattern still showing there. But overall, a rather nice item that will grace someone's kitchen, and they will love cooking with it.